Hello everyone, it is time to check out our latest and greatest Tara's must-have. Ha! Couldn't be more excited about this. When I think of 20 years and what we have been celebrating, this brand Temp-tations that I came up with the idea 20 years ago, it was truly about one dish cooking, prepping, cooking, serving, and storing all in one dish. And the foundation was stoneware because it goes in the oven up to 500 degrees and you literally can broil in it. It can go in the microwave. You can put it in the dishwasher when you want to clean it. Best news ever. And you can chill things ahead of time or keep things cold in the fridge or the freezer. Hey Sandy, I mean our grandmothers knew it, their grandmothers knew it. Temp-tations brings it to today's lifestyles with beautiful patterns and colors. And truly there's no one else out there doing what we're doing. And I think that's what makes it so exciting. So when we talk about a Squoval, let's start there. This is an elongated oval / rectangle. It's a rectangle meets a Squoval, meets a square, meets an oval. It's a Squoval. And what I love about that is it takes up less space in your oven when you're cooking, less space when you're storing it, less space when you're putting it in the microwave. You have helper handles here on the side. You have that beautiful hand painting on the inside, as well as that carved detail on the outside. Can we just talk about how stunning, hello, don't lean on that, how stunning this gray floral lace is? I have to say, every time I look at it, it takes my breath away. Hey Diane, hi Kimberly, hey Barb, hey everybody. Lisa's hopping on saying hi too, she's putting some links in there. Mary Hayes saying hi, Belinda's saying hi, Marie Elaine is saying hi. Well, we're just sharing our latest and greatest Tara's must-have because you are loving it. And here's the best part. Although it's 2 quarts, and I love that if it's maybe just one of you, maybe it's just 2 of you, we hear over and over. We don't need always these big sets. Sometimes we just want those key, everyday essential pieces. Ding ding, this is it. And it comes with a lid. Look how beautiful that is. So now we don't do very many lidded pieces. So look how stunning, just all of that detail, all of that workmanship, all of that beautiful stoneware. And then we also give you the opportunity or option to use this wood lid, which is also a cutting board. It's also a trivet for under that baker. So now when you're coming out of the oven at 500 degrees because you've just broiled something, you have a place to put it and you're not scrambling for hot pads and things you need, all that good stuff. All right, well, why don't we put it to work? Because here's our floral lace. Here's our gorgeous Old World. So we have lots of colors available. I'm just going to show you the patterns. You can check everything out over at temp-tations.com. But Old World is where it all started. It was one of the very first hand-painted patterns that we had, and confetti is my jam. This is the color that I collect. Absolutely love it. So Old World and floral lace in our classic prepping, cooking, serving, storing, all in one dish. You wait right there. I'm going to the oven. Wait till you see what I'm going to bring out. BRB. Okay. So, here's what I absolutely love. I love the fact that I have that great lid on there. Love the fact that I'm coming out and there's helper handles here. I'm gonna actually move things around so I can stay right in the shop for you guys. Oh, here's my trivet. I'm gonna bring this out right here and now take a peek at this. First of all, ooey gooey cheesy goodness. Love that. But here's what we love. Even heating all the way around. Look at how that cheese has melted completely. Look at how all of that pasta is still moist. And that's what's amazing with cooking with a lid because it's self-basting, right? The moisture stays trapped inside. I can pull it right away from the sides. Naturally non-stick, so you don't need butters or oils or any extra added fats. It truly is the best way, in my opinion, to cook something because the heat hugs your food. So you don't get those hot spots, you don't get those random burned areas. It literally hugs your food and brings it to temperature and cooks it evenly every single time. But as great as it is to put that in the oven, it's also awesome to keep cold things cold. So hold please. I'll be right back. See how this works? I love this. This is awesome. So, what do you put your salads in? Well, would you think of putting your salad in just any old 2-quart baker? Well, you would if you had our beautiful Squoval one. Look at this gorgeous salad staying nice and cold, nice and chilled throughout the meal. You guys, this is under $33, okay? I just want to level set that. $33 for a 2-quart Squoval baker with a lid, with that beautiful bamboo cutting board slash trivet slash also lid, which I love. It fits right on top of that baker as well. All individually hand painted, all individually hand done. Like, these are 3 key pieces that are just phenomenal, and a dish you'll use every day. If you're a big family, it's like the perfect side dish. If you're a small family, you're doing that one dish cooking where you did a beautiful roast with all of my vegetables cooked up around it. Look at that, and I still have plenty of room. I want to slice that roast. I have that bamboo lid slash cutting board that I can use for that. Look how gorgeous. If you love that kind of navy, that cobalt blue, look at that gorgeous floral lace. Really, really great. You're also thinking, okay, I want to bake, right? By the way, hi to the 200 people who are hopping on. Hi Heidi, hi Cheryl. We are sharing our latest and greatest Tara's must-have because it's back to the basics of Temptations. It's that essential baker, but of course, I always put a special twist on it. And it's not just that it's so stinking cute and that you're able to bake your Easter cakes and your spring cakes. I mean, are you kidding me? How fun is this? Literally took my hand mixer, mixed the batter in here, baked it right in the oven, brought it out, let it cool, iced it. Now I can slice from it. Oh, and P.S. and by the way, when I have leftovers, I can cover it and store it the next time. Look what I did here. I made these cupcakes a little earlier. They're over at temp-tations.com if you want to check them out. They're adorable little Easter slash spring cupcakes, and they are filled with heaven and delicious. But now that serving tray, that cutting board becomes a serving tray and so much more. So I couldn't be more excited. We have our classic colors in floral lace and in old world. Here's your old world, what I'm showing you here. This is our beautiful cobalt blue. Here's your confetti. You can see all the colors over at temp-tations.com. Don't wait, you guys. These are final quantities that we brought in. And this is, I gotta tell you, just an everyday essential, prepping, cooking, serving, storing, all individual hand-painted stoneware that goes in the oven up to 500 degrees, the dishwasher, the fridge, the freezer, the microwave. I cannot say enough about this piece. I'm thrilled with the way it turned out. I know it'll be an essential that you add to your collection, and we've done very few, if any, covered Squoval pieces. Squoval is always one of our most popular shapes, and it's an elongated square meets an oval meets a rectangle. I don't know. Created the most amazing shape ever. All right, you guys, where can you find it? Head over to temp-tations.com. I have a lot to eat here, and I'm going to get to all of it. But you go over, pick your pattern, pick your color, and you will enjoy it. By the way, we have started a recipe group. If you did not hear, Recipes from Tara's Table. It is a Facebook group, a closed group. Would love it to have you over there. Just answer a couple of questions, come on in, and we're sharing great recipes. So some of the things you saw here are also there as well. All right, everybody, good to see you. Enjoy the rest of your hump day, and we'll see you all real soon. Bye.